Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. E-Friends here as well.
Morning.
Good morning, guys. First things first, we're getting a nice bounce. Let's go over the charts here. First off, LVS. Nice bounce here off the trend line. Facebook breaking out above that 10. But you know what? We got bigger news today. As you guys can see down here, CEO of Moderna to talk vaccine on Bloomberg at 10:30 Eastern time here. Now, guys, here's the big thing here. One of our members, Mr. Scott Harris, he bought into 40 contracts of Moderna last week. We gave a trade ID on Moderna on the video here. I didn't place it myself. He jumped in. He got 40 contracts of Moderna, and he made about a $19,000 trade, and that trade's going to be worth over $100,000 today. He's got his limit order to sell there. Moderna's pulling back from the highs there at about $86 right now, but he has an order in to sell his Moderna calls at $120,000, which would net him over a $100,000 profit. Unbelievable. Great start to the Monday with that, Scott Harris. Well done with that. That's unbelievable. And if you guys watched this morning, I made a nice little Facebook video here. We did a live video. Here's his order he sent me right here, selling at $120,000 estimated total proceeds there. Unbelievable there. Great job on that, Scott Harris, and really happy for you there. Great job. Let's see here. And let me just look here 1 second. We got about 2 minutes here until opening bell. And here's the other video from this morning with Scott Harris here. What is going on? There we go. So right here, Scott Harris, he locked in he's got an order there for $120,000 on Moderna. Great job there. Really happy for you, Scott. Alrighty, let's see what the markets are going to do here. Dow's up about Dow Futures up 745 points. We're up around 650 here. Here comes opening bell, guys. It's going to be a great week. We're getting a nice successful bounce off of just about everything. Take a look here at USO as well. Remember on Friday, we just had that 1020 cross on USO. I said, guys, it looks like we're going to have a big breakout here. And we could see USO is shooting for 25 bucks a share right now. That's looking phenomenal. Starbucks, SBUX. You can see Starbucks here on a 3-month daily breaking above that 1020 SMA here for the first time. We're going to be looking at $80 price target minimum on Starbucks. Here we go. Opening bells here opened, and we are now up $2,000 for the day on a bunch of our trades here. LVS is up $550. 3M is up $100. Let's see. Our Carnival Cruise Line trades up $1,000 today. Let's take a look at Carnival Cruise Line here. Still plenty of time on Carnival. That's going for $15. That's up 11% here in the market. And the opening bell here still climbing, still running higher here, up over 11%. She's going for 12% now. Big climb on Carnival Cruise Lines, guys. The economy is opening up, and we're looking much better here. So keep that in mind. I've been telling you guys that for a while. Look at the trend line here on Las Vegas Sands, LVS. She's getting a nice breakout. She's up almost 8% for the day, and she's bouncing right off that trend line here. She's breaking above that 10, 20, 50 SMA, and we got breakout momentum starting. A green candle tomorrow, a break above $50 a share, and then we could be looking at LVS for about $60 in the next 3 months. Moderna, let's take a look at Moderna, MRNA for Mr. Scott Harris there. She just got up to 87 bucks. Let's take a look here. Big mover here on Moderna. I would be locking in those profits with Scott Harris there. Yeah, nice job, Scott Harris. Let's see. Did he message anything in the trade room yet? No? Love to see how he's doing there. Let's see, trade room. Good morning, Paula. What's that?
J.S. Bauer.
J.S. Buyer. Wow, take a look, guys. Unbelievable. J.S. Buyer. Sold Moderna 10 contracts weekly, 66, made $12,939. Hell yeah, JS Buyer, says Karen Decker. Nice job there. What a day. Guys, our Visa trade's up really nicely here. Visa's back in the green. Remember, the Visa trade was down quite a bit. That came right back. She's in the green now. Moderna, 85 bucks. Let's see if she can continue that climb. CCL, Carnival Cruise Line's up 12% now, continuing that breakout momentum here on a today 1 minute chart for Carnival Cruise Line. There goes Moderna, 85.30, continuing to run. Let's see if she could break that resistance right around 87 and get for that new highs for the day of 90 to 95. There goes Carnival Cruise Line now, breaking 12%. 14.31 a share. Nice breakout there. Carnival Cruise Line up $1.50 for the day, almost 12%. Las Vegas Sands, another one of those. Moderna's starting to flatten off here. Looks like she could be ready for that next climb if the markets keep on climbing. Dow now is up 700. Nasdaq's up 190. S&P's up 72. Markets are up almost 3% here on this continued climb breakout momentum. Guys, take a look at Walmart too here. Take a look at Walmart. Now, we had a losing trade on Walmart last week. We just need a little bit more time on that Walmart trade. Walmart's at 127, almost at 128 a share this morning. She's in breakout momentum. That also has earnings coming up this week, right? Tomorrow morning earnings on Walmart. You got that MACD cross coming up. You got that first candle above the 50, 10, 20 days simple moving average. Continuing that climb, so is Carnival Cruise Line there. Nice breakout, holding above that 10, 20, 50 SMA to start the Monday here. Nice looking charts today, guys. Walmart's continuing to break out. Let's take a look at Visa. Now, these are times when you're going to want to add to your trades. You know, we were talking about this on Friday. Remember? I said, you know, this is the time where people might be hesitant to put more money into the market because you had a bad week. Yep. You know, do you remember that? Yep. We talked about that, and what did I say there? I said, this is where you have to be disciplined. You have to follow that trade plan. Exactly. You got that successful bounce off the SMAs there. What are you doing? You're either adding to those trades, or that's when you're initiating a new trade there. And as you guys can see, market's up over 700 points right now. Had a big breakout. We talked about the economy opening back up, how that's going to push markets higher.
Very confident.
We were very confident, we have to say. And that was a nice little treat here today. So great job. Visa's still continuing to climb. I think we're going to see Visa $200 a share by the end of this week. I really do. We're having a big breakout.
You did mention that you were going to add on to Visa on a big break.
I did, and I'm thinking I'm going to do that today. I really think I'm going to do that today.
Like you mentioned.
Yeah. Carnival Cruise Line now up almost 13%.
You mentioned that it was going to be up 500 today, which is crazy.
I did. On Friday's video, I said, guys.
I was like, yeah, okay.
Yeah, I said, guys, with our trade plan, take a look at the Diamond ETF here, quick. Now, I'm being pretty patient here because it's only 5 minutes into the open. Also, it's a Monday. So, being relaxed with our trades here. We're up $3,000 on our current trades right now. Very happy and very pleased with that. So take a look. There goes Carnival Cruise Line climbing again. $14.40 now a share. But take a look at the Diamond ETF. Remember on last week there, on Thursday, I said, guys, we got down to 230. That's acting as support. It held that 50-day simple moving average. And then on Friday came around, and we had that nice green candle there. I said, guys, it really looks like we're going to have a big breakout next week. You know, and if you take a look at the Qs, QQQ, that's another one. You know, right here on 514. You know, we were saying she's still holding above that 20. And then on Friday, the 15th, we said, guys, she's breaking above that 1020 SMA. A green candle on Monday would be confirmed breakout momentum. Yep. Huge breakout here. Economy is opening, and Wall Street's continuing to climb here. So don't miss out on that easy money Wall Street's throwing away here. So take a look at Visa. We're now up $1,200 on Visa today. Visa's continuing breakout momentum. There she goes, up 3.5% for the day. 189.56, continuing to climb. We're looking at 190 for today, and then we're looking at about 200 by next week. So I'm going to be initiating a trade on Visa probably this afternoon. There goes Carnival Cruise Line's new highs of the day there. Continuing to break out on Carnival Cruise Lines, now up 13% for the day. Let's see. That Carnival Cruise Line trade is now up $1,200 for the day. What's that?
CCL?
CCL is soaring and ripping here. Let's see. Where is Scott? I want to see what Scott did. He's being awfully quiet here. What did Karen do? Nice job, Karen Decker. 112% gain on Disney. Nice job there, Karen. And if you guys want to come join us, make sure you guys come join us at breakingchartalerts.com. We have the live trading room, trade alerts, live trading video for the afternoon session, everything here. Come join us, guys, and join our team of traders. Got a great team here. Really happy. Let's see, Facebook. What is Facebook doing? For some reason on eTrade Pro here, my Facebook options are not coming up for the June 19th Expo. Facebook's at 215. She's getting right up to that resistance, guys. I really think we're going to see 220 on Facebook this week. So, you know, as the economy reopens, where's the first place people are going to go to advertise and market? Facebook. You know, of course, it's cheap, and you have direct exposure to your clients there, whoever you want. There's your Billy. So this morning, guys, we put out our newsletter, our daily newsletter, and I'm looking at the bottom there, and I go, Ephraim, what are these earnings at the bottom? Billy, Sogu, see, it's all Chinese ones here. He's like, yeah, that's the only things, that's all he's got today, you know, not much other reporting. So I guess that Billy, ticker symbol BILI, is really taking off here. Take a look. BILI. Wow, that stock's up 7% here. Earnings, are the earnings today? This morning after the bell. So she's getting a nice pop here on earnings. There's that 1020 cross. The MACD's already crossed there. Now let's take a look at our next resistance areas, if there is any. So we're at all-time highs, it's looking like, on Billy. She just IPO'd in around March of 2018. Looking good. Here comes Carnival Cruise Line. Now, guys, remember how we say we give it the first 15 minutes of the trading day? Take a look on Carnival Cruise Line here. Just gives it enough time for the SMAs, simple moving averages, to catch up to the candles here. Now we're getting a candle right at that 10-day simple moving average. Let's see if we have a breakout here on Carnival Cruise Lines, or if we start trading between the NTZ, no trade zone. Guys, I'm up $2,000 on Visa trade alone here right now. Visa, I'm watching. She just broke 190, 190.36. She's continuing to run 3.77% for the day. There she is on a minute today chart. Breaking above that 10, holding consolidation, and having another breakout there. Take a look at Visa. Take a look at the 3-month daily. We have resistance right around $200 a share. Visas, we're going to have a target of $200 a share on Visa. I think we're going to hit our target profit area on Visa. You know, I'm up 63% on our Visa trade right now. What a move.
And that's on profits.
Yeah, we made what, 4 or 5 Visa trades over the past. And this is why one of our classes is going to be on trade management and stuff like that, because we've been using our profits on each Visa trade to initiate our next trade on Visa. So I'm up $1,400 right now on Visa. You know, if I lock in that profit, I'm going to use that $1,500 to fuel the next trade there. And then I might do something like this week's Expo, since we're in that breakout momentum, and take that $1,500, which is profit from the first 4 trades.
Absolutely zero capital.
And then what I'm going to do there is, wow, look at that. Now we're up $4,000 for the day. Markets are just continuing to break out. There goes Square. Our Square trade was down huge. Square's breaking out. Take a look at Square. This might be one we could take a jump in. She's just now breaking back out here. She was down for the day this morning. Take a look at that candle. Wow, look at that breakout. So from 9:30 this morning, she was down to about $78 a share. $78. She's breaking out. She just broke 81 now, reaching for 82. Big breakout on Square. There's that 1020 cross. She's retracing back down to the 10 on a minute today chart. So keep a look at Square. This might be a great day trade setup right now. She's only up 0.86% for the day. As she retraces back down to about 80.50 a share, I might jump in for a day trade or a swing trade on Square. I'll add to that position that we have. Square got downgraded, but she's still up a 0.25%, 0.75% here. So keep an eye on that. We're being patient. We're holding off right now. Probably going to make some trades in the afternoon. Captain Thomas messaged me about 6 o'clock this morning. He said, Dave, take a look at SRNE. And I see that's coming up here on the news ticker down here, the news wire. SRNE. Let's take a look at that quick for Captain Thomas. SRNE. 9.29 a share. Nice breakout there. Still climbing. Look at that. She was just $2 a share. Now she's getting up to $10. Nice climb there on SRNE. Let's see. Juan Crismo, Karen Decker. They're all saying Disney, Disney, Disney. Yes, Vinny, we could go over Boeing. We have a trade on Boeing. We have the puts on Boeing. She's just now getting up. She's up about 6% for the day. Probably close this out by the end of the day tomorrow or today if she doesn't start drawing back there. But, Vinny, we have about 8 other trades that are in the green today. So managing those trades. Boeing's down 67%. Let's see here. Carnival Cruise Line's dropping below that 10 right here, between the 10 and 20 SMA. No trade zone there. Let's take a look at Square. Maybe we could add something there. What a nice start to a Monday, guys. Really nice start here. Guys, would really appreciate a thumbs up, a like on this YouTube video here. We only got 17 likes. I'd really appreciate that. They're talking about Disney really soaring here again. Wow, look at Disney up 8%. Let's take a look. This is probably one that's going to climb right back up to 140 a share here.
Wow, exploding.
Unbelievable. I definitely want to jump in something. I got to jump in something on Disney here. We'll get something for the July Expo, which is probably going to take us into when they reopen the parks. Let's take a look at Disney. There goes Disney climbing off that 10 again, looking for that next breakout momentum. Here's consolidation on Disney for the past 7 candles, 8 candles. Let's take a look here. Disney, July 17th. What is going on with this option chain here for Disney? E-Trade Pro is really slow today for me. Facebook 214.34. Come on, why isn't this coming up on Disney? It's really pissing me off here. Disney's having a big breakout here again, guys. I'm just going to go order status and make this. Let's see. Call. Expiration July 17th. I'm going to go out to. I'm going to look at the 120 strike call. It won't even tell me what this is going for. This is how shitty E-Trade's being right now, to be honest. Unbelievable. Let's see if this will work. This is an order entry. DIS. Call. July 17th. 120. It's not even coming up on here, the bid or the ask. Unbelievable. And Disney's rocketing higher here. E-Trade's making me miss out on a lot of money here. Let me see. I gotta restart this program here. Unbelievable how E-Trade does that all the
crazy.
time. All the time.
Let me see.
Sorry, guys. I just put that up right now so you don't see some personal information, passwords, and whatnot I'm putting in here. Unbelievable, though. Man, this better fix this here. Let's see if this is working now here. Alrighty, there we go. Could you guys see that now? Alrighty. You guys should be able to see that. I'm going to go back on here now and make a trade on Disney. She's still climbing there. That really upset me. Let me see if we could get it in now. July 17th, 120 strike. There we go. Now she's coming up. There we go. That's looking good. I'm going to pick this up for about $6.40. I'll pick up 5 contracts for now. Buy to open.
Yeah, we see that.
Okay, great. Alrighty, guys, there we go. That just filled. That was executed. $6.40 a contract. Let me bring up the account here, make sure that that is in. Wow.
That's it.
Were we in another Disney trade?
No.
We were. We were in the June 19th, 110. Remember we got 5 contracts of that? I'm up $4,000 on a Disney trade right now that's in the account. What Disney trade did we make for the June 19th, 110 strike?
What's this one right here? What's this trade right here? So I can send it.
That was the July 17th, 120 strike call.
July 17th. Strike call. 640.
Let's see. Yep, 640 a contract.
What's the target?
Target is going. Wow, look at her taking off. You guys sent that text.
79.
130.
Stop.
Stop is going to be, let's say, 110. I want to know what this other Disney trade's from. Well, I don't know what Disney trade.
Yes,
I don't.
That was the trade that we did with Florida Governor opening up on Friday.
Is that the trade we made?
That was the 110 call.
Do you want to know what? Yeah.
47.
I totally forgot about that trade. I'm up $4,000 on that trade alone right now.
Ron DeSantis opening up.
Juan Carismo's like, yes, Dave, you do have Disney. I'm like, all right, thanks, guys, for reminding me. I got so many trades open.
The 120.
Guys, we got to close out that. You know how much percentage we're up on that?
How much?
Let me see here. Columns. Unbelievable.
110 call.
That Disney trade, we are up, wow, 160% on.
160.
160%. I'm going to lock in that profit now. I just got the July 17th. I'm going to lock in that. Sell to close. We got 160% gain on that, guys. Can't let that get away. Let's see if I can sell for 1160. 57.90. Let's see. 1145 by 1160. Let me change that here. Order status.
Did you close it?
No, if it closes, I'll tell you here. We're order status. That's live. I want to lock that in quick. $11.20. Boom, she's gone. Let's see, what did I sell that at? What a gain there. Order status completed. 1136. Unbelievable. 1136. What did we get in that at?
447.
What a day. Our Visa trade's up significantly. I'm going to lock in profits, because now is a good time to lock in profits, move on to that next trade there. Order status, that's live. Huh?
154%.
154% on Disney? 154% on Disney. All right, we're going to lock in on here as well. Here as the market's pulling back a little bit. Locked in profits on our Visa trade. I just sold Visa at 6.50. Alrighty, guys, we're sending out those alerts right now. We just locked in some massive profits on our trades, locking in those profits, and we're going to be making some new trades this afternoon here. All less than a half hour into the day here, and take a look how much gains we've realized already. Take a look here, guys. Unbelievable. We locked in today a profit of $4,014.45 already today.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I mean about being ready for that trade plan and watching that bounce off the SMAs there. So important there, guys. Nice job. Make sure the app alerts are being sent out. Everything there. Where's P. Diddy? What a great day today. That was up 710 points here. That's amazing that we just locked in those I'm looking at everyone in the trade room. They're like, I'm up 110%. I'm like, why are they bringing up Disney? And then I look at the account quick. I'm like, oh, I got a trade up 4,000. What trade is that? And it's the Disney.
Crazy.
I totally forgot I made that trade. Facebook is at 212.23. I think that's going to see 220 this week. I'm going to keep an eye on Facebook. I'm looking at the other charts here, so let me put this back up for you guys. Disney had another nice climb there, holding that 10, still breaking higher. Yep, Chris Hoffman says Disney was from afternoon Friday session. So if you were a pro trader, you got into that Disney trade with us, and that was a hell of a trade there. Yeah, Bob, I definitely have to get away from E-Trade. Guys, I don't know why members would call me here while I'm live, but I'm obviously not going to take your phone call while I'm live. Wait till after. Let's see the YouTube chat here. Where is Scott Harris? Is he part of the team or what? Chris Hoffman said in the YouTube chat here he made $3,000 on that Disney trade. Thank you.
Wow, Chris.
Nice job, Chris. Did he just join us?
Yes, last week.
Last week. Welcome to the team, Chris. Great job. I think probably this afternoon's when I'm going to be making some more swing trades. I usually don't day trade on Mondays. Let's see what Moderna's doing. I haven't checked that out since the market opened. She retraced all the way back down to 79 bucks. And that's why I said, hey, take profits first thing in the morning. You remember I did that video chat with him this morning, right? I said, hey, I'd be taking profits first thing in the morning there. There goes Moderna again climbing here, breaking that 1020. It's going to have some resistance at around 82.50 a share, and then 85. And then we'll look for that new break out there to the highs. Let's take a look at Twitter. Twitter's one of our trade challenge trades here. Twitter got right back up to 30 bucks a share, up 2.5% today. If we take a look at the 3-month daily, this is looking phenomenal here. We're looking for another green candle above 30.30 a share. We get that candle above 30.30 a share, we're going to have another nice breakout there coming. So keep an eye on that. Guess what trade is almost green that we were down 99% on?
Which one is?
RCL June 19th calls.
Back from the grave.
It's up 120% today. The option for it is. We have the RCL June 19th 45 strike call. Wow, that's up almost 20% today, 16%, 43.35 on RCL. Royal Caribbean Cruises. Now, could you imagine if we get another 6-point climb? We're at 50. That means then our RCL trade will make a double. We'll have 100% gain when we were just down 99% on it. That's what I mean about the trade plan. With the longer term trades, like 2 months out, you know, you're going to have those bigger swings. But as long as it's following that trade plan, we're sticking in. I told you guys about the economy opening back up. That was going to shift the markets higher. We'd see some buyers coming in, and that's exactly what we saw. Moderna just got their price targets raised, so Moderna's moving back up there.
Where, to 100?
My stomach. Yesterday I got some wings for dinner.
Uh-huh.
Oh my, that sauce, Frogger's.
Frogger's?
Yeah.
Try something new?
They were good, but man, my stomach today, I'm just puking nonstop this morning. Disney, that new Disney trade we just made, already up 5%. 6%, $200 gain on that new Disney trade already. Part of me wants to exit out of everything here because we're up $11,000 from Friday, you know. So part of me is like, all right. There goes Moderna, 1020 cross, MACD's cross coming up, retracing down to that 10. Look for it to hold support at that yellow 10-day simple moving average. Green candle after that 10, that bounce off that would be a successful entry. If it does not have that confirmation, which is green candle, bouncing off support at that 10-day simple moving average, you would not be entering into that trade. But if you do get a green candle bouncing off this 10-day simple moving average on a today 1-minute chart, that's a nice day trade entry right there. I'm not jumping in Moderna because that one's crazy. Too crazy for me. Qualcomm's up 3%, $78 a share. Let's take a look at Qualcomm. Qualcomm is looking really nice for a swing trade. I'm going to write down Qualcomm here. I think we're going to do a trade on Qualcomm this afternoon. Qualcomm's looking great, holding above that 20-day simple moving average to the right here. You guys can see the Qualcomm 3-month daily chart here. Qualcomm's looking good. There goes Moderna. What did I tell you? Look for that green candle bounce off that 10-day simple moving average on a today 1-minute chart for Moderna, and that'd be a successful entry there. Watch what this candle does here. It's still got some time left. Remember, you're watching the end of the candles there. But Qualcomm here, 78.09. I think we could easily hit $80 this week, possibly up to $82.50 a share. I'm marking down Qualcomm here on my trade ideas. So, me too there. Who was it there? Mr. Elephant. Take a look at USO here. USO's up 7.15% today. Looking good. Take a look at the 3-month daily here. You got that 1020 cross, big breakout. She's going to be heading for 25 and then 30. You know, and as you guys could see, she was literally just $16 a share a couple days ago. So she had a big 8-point climb there in a matter of 2 weeks. So another 8-point climb, that's going to push it up to $32 a share, you know, and we could continue to climb from here. Love that setup there on USO. If you're just starting out now, that'd be a nice entry. Qualcomm's starting to break out. You know what? Let's make our Qualcomm trade now. Do a small trade here on Qualcomm for this week's Expo. We already have a Qualcomm trade out, which we could close out. That was a trade idea from what, last week? That should be in the green. Let's see. I'm going to make a Qualcomm trade here. I'm going to go for the June 19th. And I'm going to do the 80 strike. We could do the 78 strike. 78 strike is only $3 a contract here. That's not bad at all. $78. Get up to $82.50. That's going to be a nice gain there for the June 19th Expo. I'm going to pick that up. 3.50. I'll pick up 10 contracts. Is going to be around $3,500. I could do 10 contracts, $3,500. I mean, she's up 3% today, but it looks like the markets are going to keep breaking higher here. Let's see, 353 or 355. I'll put it in order. Place order.
That's a 78 strike.
And we are in it. We are in it to win it. Qualcomm, June 19th, 78 strike call. We're in at, let's see here, price, cost base. I don't like cost basis. Let me go to columns here, get rid of cost basis, and put in average price paid. Okay, there we go. Average price paid on the Qualcomm trade was $3.55 a contract.
Still looking at an 86 target.
86 target. Not 86, no, around 82.
82. And stop.
82. Stop is going to be first candle below that blue 20. So let's say 77.
Okay, that was the
77. Tight stop there. Make sure you guys follow that. If you're jumping into that trade, first candle below 77, we're out. Who's calling me from Tampa? Karen says, Dave, please look at NVIDIA. I looked at NVIDIA this morning. Qualcomm trade. That's looking great. Let's see NVIDIA. NVIDIA, that looks like that's going to retrace a bit there, Karen. If I was doing anything with NVIDIA, I'd be buying some, probably some puts. Looking for a retracement back down about 340, 10-point decline there. I wouldn't do anything with NVIDIA just yet. Not sure what you're saying there, Christian, that NVIDIA is screaming. She's retracing there on a today 1 minute. She's pulling back down to that 50. You're going to be looking to see if she's going to hold that 50 as support there. NVIDIA is not one you want to get into yet. I would be buying puts if she broke below that 50 here. Fu Nijuan says, take a look at Amazon. I'll gladly do that. I love Amazon. Amazon 23.59. 3-month daily. Holding that 1020. Not looking too bad there. If Amazon breaks above 24.10, I'd be a buyer and I'd be longing Amazon there. Now take a look. Visa's starting to break out again. I'm looking at today 1 minute chart on Visa. Visa's starting to break out again. Here we go. 1020 cross coming up. MACD starting to flatten out. We're going to see that MACD cross if we get another couple green candles here. If Visa could take out 90.65, I'd be entering into another trade on Visa. Probably something shorter term, maybe going into next week's expo or into Memorial Day. Guys, I'm very bullish going into Memorial Day. You know, we're going to see this market continue to rise. Hotels are already booked at most of the beaches here. You can't even get into a hotel on any of the beaches. So if that tells you anything, the economy's back and America's open for business. Okay, so I'm going to expect and watch this market continue to climb here over the next few weeks as the economy opens. COVID cases remain lower. Not seeing a big breakout like some of the people were saying or thinking. I like this setup in the market. I think we're going to continue to run. Take a look at the Diamond ETF here, DIA, and we could see we have a nice breakout. I'm going to be looking at around 250 or Dow 25,000 as the next resistance area. And as far as the Qs go, again, I'll be looking at around 230 for Qs, short term. Nice breakout here today, guys. Love what I'm seeing. Mr. Elephant says, thoughts on Zoom put, ZM. Let's take a look here. 3-month daily on Zoom. I wouldn't buy Zoom puts yet. She's still holding between the previous candle's body there, which is important. And just going to keep an eye on that. As long as she holds above that 160, Zoom is looking good there. She could retrace back down about 162 before that next breakout, but you got some resistance right around 175 and 180 for Zoom. So keep that in mind there. Let's see, what else do we want to take a look at here? Facebook not doing too much yet. Still holding above that 1020 SMA. Nice breakout today, up 0.57%. Let's take a look at Snapchat. Snapchat still $17.80 a share. I'm going to be looking at around $18.50 to $19 this week on Snap. Vincenzo says, take a look at MAR, which is Marriott International. MAR, Marriott International. Nice climb above that 10-20-50 SMA on Marriott, up over 11% for the day. This is another one that looks like this is going to have a big breakout here. Let's take a look, compare Marriott to Hilton. Marriott, Hilton, both looking good here. Which one's better financially? That's the question. I think all these look phenomenal. Let's take a look at the volume coming in. See which one's got more volume coming in. Bless you. No problem. So as you guys can see here, Marriott, we got about 5 million shares coming in on average, 6 million shares on average. And with Hilton here, we got about 5-6 million. And as you guys can see here, the chart's pretty similar to each other here. So this is going to be one that's just going to be, what's a good ETF for hotels? Do you know? I usually don't trade hotels, so I don't really look into that. Some of our members may know, but I like Marriott, I like Hilton here. So both of them, really great ideas. Let's take a look at the option chain for them, see what they're looking like. So let's take a look. We'll look at Marriott first, MAR. Yeah, I think Marriott would be better as well here. So if we take a look at Marriott, 88.80 a share, up about 11.32% for the day, up $9. I think this one's going to continue a big run here. So what we could look at is a call. We could take a look at the June 19th. When is Memorial Day? May 29th? 26th. Let's see, June 19th, 90 strike calls, only going for about $5. That's not a bad setup right there. I really like that setup.
25th.
Huh?
25th.
25th? So that's well into that. I like that, guys. We're going to pick that up. June 19th, summer's coming. We can pick up the July if we rather. Let's see what the July is going for the 90. That's not even much there. What do you guys think? You want to go with the June monthly or the July monthly expo? What do you guys think? I'll let you guys pick that out. What do you guys think here? Do you want to go with the June monthly or July monthly? I think the markets are going to continue to climb here. If we go with the July monthly, it's going to be a little less risky here, and it's going to give us a little bit more time for the economy to continue to climb here as the economy opens up, America opens back up here, especially going into Memorial Day. I think we're going to continue to see a breakout here after we see that the hotels are booked solid here from Memorial Day and probably going into the rest of the summer here as people want to get a break, get away from this quarantine that we've had for the past 3 months. So I think we've seen the bottom. I think we're going to continue to climb here, and I like the way the markets are looking here. Delta Q2 airline schedule is 85% smaller than last year. Breaking news from Thomson Reuters. Some puts coming in on Walmart, eBay puts, ExxonMobil, some 50 strike calls coming in. Remember, that was our target on ExxonMobil a couple of weeks ago or a month ago? Look at ExxonMobil. What a nice climb there. That might be another one that we'll be looking at. What about CVX? That's usually a good one as well. 95 easy target on CVX there. Oil's had such a big run, though, over the past few days. Past few weeks here. Let's see. Wow, UCO is now up $200 for the day. Let's take a look at USO. $23.99. Up 7.15%. Candles coming down to that 50 SMA. We'll see what that's going to do there over the next 5-10 minutes. Microsoft. That's going to be one I wanted to get into as well if we continue that climb on Microsoft. 3-month daily Microsoft got some resistance right at around 190 a share. Between 188 and 190. Stock's at 185.12 now. So we could keep Microsoft on our watch list here for a potential short-term swing trade. Hilton and Marriott, I'm probably going to look at a trade into that later. No one wanted to give me any kind of news. D. Lou finally came in there. Mr. Elephant, David Gallo, they all said July. So let's take a look at the July 17th. July 17th, I'd be picking up the 90 strike. 90 strikes going for about $760 a contract. I like that. We could pick up a single contract for now. See how that does. Visa's getting a big climb here. 190.35 on a today 1 minute chart. Climbing off that 20-day simple moving average. Visa's continuing to break out there. She's going to be looking to take out highs of the day from earlier this morning around 9:15, 9:10 a.m. So keep an eye on Visa. Marriott, 90 strike call. Do people want Marriott or Hilton, though? That's the big question. Marriott's up 12%. Hilton's up 6-7%. I like Marriott. We'll jump in Marriott here. Hilton still looks ready for a big climb, but Marriott's got a little bit more exposure there. Let's take a look. 560. We could pick up a single contract. This is for the June. Let's go with the July Expo. July 17th. 90 strike call. We're going to be picking this up for around 770. Do I want to go with that or the Hilton, though? That's the big thing. Let's see. I'm going to place an order here. 770 a contract. There we go. That just filled. Marriott, July 17th, 90 strike call. We are in at, where's my 770 a contract. Target on Marriott is going to be, let's say 110. Our stop is going to be very tight. We'll have a 85 stop. Let's say 84 stop. That's right at the 20 there. 84 stop, 110 to 120 is going to be our target. And that there can make us a massive return there. Guys, take a look at Visa. Visa's starting to break out here again as well. Take a look, Visa. She's at 190.41. Let's change this to the today 1 minute chart. She's breaking higher here. She's going out to take out the highs of the day from early this morning around 9:40 to 9:43 a.m. And there goes Visa, continuing that breakout. Marriott trades now up 2%. Yes, we are still in square. Square. Remember why we're in square. Again, Memorial Day, going into the holiday here. Square's pretty volatile here. I like the move on Square. I think we're going to continue to see that breakout here. I'll probably be adding to Square over the next few days. Take a look at Square here as well. Take a look at Square. 3-month daily chart, Square, bam. 3-month daily, what is she in? She's in breakout momentum. What's this candle doing right here? Still between the previous candle's body. We're still in breakout momentum. If she does retrace, we'll be looking at 75 as support, and then that next breakout up to 80. 80 is resistance right now. We get a green candle above 80. I think we could have a nice breakout to about 85, 90 bucks a share. There goes Visa, breaking out new highs of the day on Visa. I didn't make that new trade on Visa yet, did I?
No, you sold Visa.
I sold Visa. I said I wanted to get another trade on Visa. Visa's going to 200 bucks a share. There's no question about it. She wants 200 bucks a share this week. I got to let her, I got to follow it, you know. The problem is it's just such a big gap there, you know, but I mean you can see down here she had a big climb here in a relatively short period of time from what 133 all the way up to 170. So we could continue to have a big climb here on Visa as the economy opens back up. There's no negative news about COVID-19. I like what we're seeing here, guys. I really love what I'm seeing. Qualcomm trades in the green. I'm loving the looks of this. Ragu also picked up Marriott with us. Nice job, Ragu. Qualcomm is running. Marriott's running. Marriott's in the green. Qualcomm's in the green. Visa's still breaking out here. New highs on Visa. Getting up to 191. Hilton's still there, not doing too much. Qualcomm, let's take a look at Qualcomm. Qualcomm's breaking out there. There's the SMA cluster breaking above resistance right at 78.25. We're looking for a breakout on Qualcomm here, up 3.42%, continuing to climb on Qualcomm. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily. 3-month daily, we should easily get up to $82 this week, in my opinion. So Qualcomm's looking great there. That should be a nice profit for us on Qualcomm. Already up 2% on the Qualcomm trade. Robert Clark said he picked up Qualcomm and Marriott. Nice job. MMY says he's up 50% on Visa. Should I sell it? I would sell it, lock in profits, and then I'd use those profits to fuel the next trade. That's the proper trade management and account management there. Lock in those profits. You got a 50% gain. Be happy. Use those profits to fuel your next trade. Qualcomm's breaking out. We're now up 4% on our Qualcomm trade, up $200 on Qualcomm. There goes Qualcomm. Let's take a look at the today 1-minute chart on QCOM. Nice breakout there, 1020 cross, SMA's converging. MACD's already crossed right here. Nice breakout on Qualcomm. Square's failing at that 20 SMA on a today 1-minute chart. Keeping an eye on that. Square to me, though, looks great for our May 29th Expo. Now, if it was this week's Expo, I'd be tossing that. But Square looks great for the May 29th Expo as we go into the holiday. Square is trading between that 1020 SMA right now. If we take a look here, let's bring up Square. Square, today 1 minute, trading between that 1020 SMA here on a today 1 minute chart. Let's see if we squeeze between that 1020 and get a breakout there. MACD's already crossed. Qualcomm still climbing, but the general market's pulling back a little bit here from these highs. But let's see what Square does here. Here she comes between that 10 and 20 SMA. Let's look for a breakout above that 20 there for that next run. If she breaks below this, we'll be looking at 78 is the next support. Looking good though. There she climbs up to that blue 20 SMA there on a today 1 minute chart. Diamond ETF. Let's take a look at Diamond. See what it's doing on a today 1 minute chart. Trading between NTZ. So it's trading between NTZ, trading between that 10, 20, 50-day simple moving average and today 1 minute chart. You're looking for a break below 243.40 on Diamond. If she breaks below 243.40, we'll see further retracement there and probably fill in some of that gap as Dow is now still up 692 points on the day. What trades this? Qualcomm trade, Marriott trades are in the green. MMY says, God bless you, Dave. You are making dreams come true. You're a patriot and a great American. Thank you. Thank you right there, MMY. Very nice of you. I try my best. Guys, if you guys want to sign up for our service, make sure in the YouTube chat there, Efren just posted that, facebook.com/breakingchartalerts. Take a look at Qualcomm here, coming down to that 10-day simple moving average. We're watching for a bounce there, watching that continued climb. LVS trades up $500 for the day. Take a look at LVS. LVS is starting that breakout momentum again. Watch it get up to the highs of resistance. 3-month daily. I think today is the best day. Like once we go live in the afternoon, maybe we'll make a couple of swing trades there, and then we set them and forget them because market's in breakout momentum. So here's the thing. So here's going to be the new thing. For all those new traders that are just jumping in, obviously it's going to be a volatile week. We're going to see big moves. I think we're going to have big moves higher here, but you could also have a day of retracement where you get a 300-point sell-off with some profit takers coming in. So what's important now is having that mentality, okay, we're in breakout momentum. I don't care about intraday swings, okay? The Dow's up 700 points right now, okay? If she pulls back 200 points, that's a big move there, but the market's still up 500 points. So you have to keep that in mind. We're in breakout momentum, so we're going to have highs of the day and we're going to have lows of the day, okay? As long as we continue in breakout momentum, I don't care where that candle is intraday. I don't care if it's near the lows of the day or the highs of the day. It's still up 500 points for the day, even if the Dow pulls back 200 points. And that's what's important, understanding that and saying, okay, we have the June, July expos here. Some of the expos, we have May 29th that are trades specifically for the holidays here, going into Memorial Day. So what's important here is understanding that and saying, hey, we're still in breakout momentum. Even if we got into a trade right now and then it's down 20% by the end of the day, markets are still up 500 points. We just retrace a little bit from the highs, and that's when I'd be adding on that next confirmed bounce to those trades. But right now, you have to understand, we're in breakout momentum, okay? We may retrace from the highs of the day today. That's okay. We're still in breakout momentum. We're not day trading. We're swing trading here. So our swing trades are what matters right now. We're not in any day trades. So right now, we're managing these trades by seeing what we're doing on a 3-month daily chart here. Okay, and then if we're if we're day trading, we're looking at a today 1-minute chart. So when I'm looking at the today 1-minute charts here, I don't want you guys thinking, okay, I got to look at a today 1-minute chart all day. What you guys should be focused on is that 3-month daily chart here. The candles at the end of the day. That's all that matters for these swing trades. Okay, now here comes Diamond. Remember, we were talking about it coming down below that 1020 SMA. Here comes some profit takers coming in on the Diamond ETF. You're going to see the market retrace a little bit here. We're pulling back down to support of the day. We're going to have support of the day right around 243.40 on the Diamond ETF. So take a look at that, keep an eye on that, and see what we're going to do from here on the Diamond ETF. Like I said, we might retrace a little bit. That's okay. Markets are still climbing. We're still looking good, and economy is opening, and that's why we're having that big power lift today. Wow, look at Marriott just shot up. Marriott, Qualcomm. Everything's getting a nice little pop there. Tech's looking good. What's Visa doing? Visa's at 190.24 at that 20-day SMA on a today 1-minute chart. Let's take a look at what Qs are doing. Q. Qs are holding that 10 right now. Vincenzo Fiacco says check out NVAX. Andrew Richardson says Walmart. Let's take a look. NVAX. NVAX, big breakout today, up 35%. That's running there with Moderna. This is looking good. Take a look at the 3-month daily chart, breaking higher, $55.24 a share. $58.35 a share. This stock was just, I remember watching this stock a couple months ago, back in January, when it was $3 a share. I mean, she's at almost $60 now. What a climb there. And that's what a pandemic does. That's why back in January we were talking about all these. I didn't jump in any myself, but we were certainly talking about those. I should have got into some longer term trades there on some of these biopharmaceutical stocks. Vincenzo, are you in any trades on any of these biopharmas? NVAX. I helped that Scott Harris out this morning. I video chatted him and I didn't hear from him.
He's probably counting.
No, that's something that upsets me. If we're a team here, I expect to hear back from him.
Let's just give him the benefit of the doubt.
It's been a benefit of the doubt for the past hour here. Still didn't hear back from him. I'm eager to hear back from him.
I know, we're on edge. Scotty, let us know.
Let's see here. I'm watching the diamond up above. Square 78.11. 78.15. Visa coming down to that 50. What a great day today. $4,014.45. That's a nice gain right there for the day. Nice way to start the Monday for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Bursch says he's out partying. Well, Bursch, he should have came to me first. Definitely should have came to me first. Okay, let's see. What's another one here popping? Milk Tiger says PayPal's breaking out. Let's take a look at that, Milk Tiger. PayPal, nice breakout on PayPal. This is what's telling me about Square too. Square's gonna have a nice breakout as well. PayPal, what do you see here? It's perfect consolidation, right? If we bring up our rectangle here, bring up that yellow, get rid of that line there, none, and you can see perfect consolidation here on PayPal, right? We're finally breaking above that consolidation. Green candle tomorrow is going to be confirmation. Then we could be looking at, 160, 175 target on PayPal. Vincenzo says he sold out of NVAX last week. I bet he's kicking himself in the ass for that, but I bet you he locked in some nice gains. So, nice job, Vincenzo. Alex Lopez says MRNA. Moderna. Let's see what she's doing. She's all the way back up to 83.37, continuing that climb there. Here comes that 1020 cross. Look for her to break above 84. If she breaks above that 84, we could easily see 85, 87.50 new highs of the day there for Moderna. Moderna's still looking good there, still climbing. Let's see. Wow, our Qualcomm trade's now up $200. 5% gain on Qualcomm, 4% gain on Marriott. Looking good. Looking really good here. Facebook's taking off again here. So what we're seeing is Diamond pulled back a little bit, but take a look at Facebook here. Facebook had that 1020 cross right here at around 1019, 212.18 a share. She's climbing, breaking above, holding that 10-day simple moving average as she continues breakout momentum. Look at 214.50 as the next resistance area on Facebook for today. Ragu says, check out CMG. Good entry if she holds 1,000 support. Don't even tell me Chipotle's over $1,000 a share. Wow, $1,002 a share. Unbelievable. Wow, look at that Chipotle 3-month daily chart here. Now, per trade plan, there's that 1020 cross. First candle above that 1020. Here it is, April 6th. April 6th, your entry. You could go out a month or two till Expo, and bam. You went from $670 a share all the way up to $1,000 a share there. That trade plan is a beautiful setup there. Here's that trade plan. Here's the no trade zone. Here's that breakout momentum confirmed 4-6. MACD, first candle above 1020. First 1020 cross there. That's nice, and that's where you're looking for that 3-month out Expo. And as you can see here, if you went out 3 months, you captured a massive return with those options. Our Marriott trade's now up 9%. 9% gain on Marriott, 4% gain on Qualcomm. Facebook continuing to run here. $213.74 on Facebook. She's climbing. LVS is near the highs of the day. Did you see LVS?
No.
LVS is having a big breakout here, breaking the highs of the day again. Up 8% for the day on LVS. No problem, Vincenzo. Great job today, guys. Well, I guess Scott Harris is holding on to Moderna.
You hope?
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah, and he said he got tied up busy with work. He didn't sell.
What? You got tied busy? I'm not thinking of anything else.
LVS is ripping higher there. Nice breakout on LVS there. LVS trades up $600 now. Moderna, I'd love to see that get it back up to that 87.50 area. Exactly, Bursch. I agree. LVS is ripping higher there. I want to see that Moderna break out by the end of the day here. So let's see what that's worth now. Let's see what trade. It's the Moderna May 22nd 65 strike. What is he at? May 29th? May 22nd. Okay. The 65 call. $65 strike calls. If he sold them at 20, that'd still be an $80,000 profit. You know. But if he wants to wait for that 25 that he's got a target of. Unbelievable. I just don't want to see him lose that, you know? LVS consolidating a little bit there, looking good. Moderna's still on the climb there. Let's take a look. What else were we looking at? Square. Square's getting that 1020 cross. She's starting to break out again. Remember, she was down 2.5% before. Now only down 1.6%. 1020 cross coming up, looking good. Want to see that break $80 again. Visa's getting right back up to that 10. Marriott trades up 7%. Qualcomm trade up 5%. What else do we got going on? Twitter trade's doing really well today, up $300 on Twitter. TWTR. Look at Twitter breaking out there, guys. Twitter's looking really nice here. Guys, Twitter is breaking out. This is a nice chart set up here on Twitter. If you're not in this yet, 3-month daily chart here, this one's looking like she's going to get right back up to that 3150 area. So still another 4% climb or more coming up on Twitter, I'm expecting. Visa's failing at that 10-day simple moving average right now on a today 1-minute chart. Qualcomm trades now up $300, up 7% on Qualcomm. Qualcomm is looking great. I think we're going to see $80 on that tomorrow, maybe even today. She's still climbing up almost 4% for the day here, up $3. Another $1.30 climb here. We're at $80. I think Qualcomm could definitely do that. Milk Tiger says, what are your thoughts on Visa for a day trade? First off, I do not day trade on Mondays unless we got a big mover. That's, you know, a 5% mover or more. Our Qualcomm trade is really taking off there, guys. Take a look at the Qualcomm trade if you're in it. Big gains. Also, Marriott trades now up 10%, guys. 10% gain on Marriott, 9% gain on Qualcomm. LVS is now up 700 bucks. Carnival Cruise Line's taking off here again. But whoever, Milk Tiger, that asked me about Visa here. Visa's one I'd swing trade. I want day trade Visa right now. I'd be looking at a swing trade on Visa. Square, take a look at Square quick. Square's getting up to that 50 SMA on a today 1 minute chart. Square's looking for that breakout. Let's see if she could break that 50 SMA. She's going to be climbing for the rest of the day today. So keep an eye on Square. What's the other one that we wanted to go over here? CCL. Carnival Cruise Line's breaking out there. There goes Carnival Cruise Line's continuing to run there. Moderna is still slowly on the climb there. Carnival Cruise Line, we'll be looking at 1450 as a target resistance area. Break 1450, we're looking at 15. Break above 15, I think we're going to see Carnival Cruise Line easily hit 20 bucks a share. And you guys see here, what's the difference here? We got the first candle today above that 10, 20, 50 SMA on a 3-month daily chart. That's significant, especially with our trade plan. You know, I want you guys be aware of that. Guys, our Qualcomm trade's now up 10%. Our Marriott trade's up 11% on Marriott. Nice gains already. That Marriott trade was a $700 trade. I'm already up 100 bucks on it.
Nice.
I said I wanted to add to it, you know. That's a nice little trade setup there. 11% gain already on Marriott. Carnival Cruise Line's back up $1,000 for us for today as she continues to break out. Looking really good here today, guys. Really great day. And again, look at what we did this morning. We locked in $4,014.45 in profits. There goes Carnival Cruise Line continuing to break out there. Nice job on those profits today, guys. Yeah, I have the Disney July 17th 120 strike call. Disney is looking great there, Red Lotus. Disney, let's take a look at the 3-month daily. 3-month daily, it's still breaking out. 120 is going to be target resistance. If we could break that, Disney could easily break out to 130 there. Guys, our Marriott trade's now up 14%. Aravam says Snap is moving. Take a look at Snap. SNAP. Snap, $18 a share. Up 5.29%. Just was at the highs of the day, $18.20 a share. There's no doubt in my mind this thing's getting up to $19.20 bucks this week. I really think we're going to continue to see a breakout on Snap. Really great job today, guys. Unbelievable. And we got another $500 in profits just on those 2 trades we made today on Marriott and Qualcomm.
Not including the Disney 154 percenter.
That was a nice trade there. I still can't believe I didn't even look at that. Everyone in the trade room like, Disney, I'm up 120. I'm like, why are they talking about Disney so much? And then I reopened E-Trade after that problem I had because it wasn't showing me, if you remember, it wasn't showing me the Facebook options. I guess it wasn't showing me Disney either. You know, because when I reopened the platform up, it's like, what? Wow, I got $4,000 gain on something? I'm like, what is that? I look over, it's Disney, up 160%. Air traffic control, what the hell is that? Visa's starting to climb again. Take a look at Visa. Here comes that 1020 cross, holding above that 1020 50 SMA now. Green candle confirmation next would be entry for a day trade, 190.75 target. But I'm looking more at the 3-month daily here for Visa. I think we could easily see between 200 and 210 a share by June or July monthly expo. There goes LVS taking off again. Big climb on LVS. Carnival Cruise Line still taking off here. CCL. CCL 1443 and climbing. Moderna's pulling back 81.86 a share. Man, I really hope that guy sells that. That's still a big profit, 80,000.
Still a big profit.
CCL still breaking. Square still holding that 20. Qualcomm up 8%. Marriott's up 11%. Looking good. I'm excited for the Zoom session this afternoon. Only 43 likes on this video. Guys, 154 viewers here, only 43 likes. You know, you guys come here every single day. Could you guys give me a thumbs up on the video, please? Would really mean a lot to me as far as analytics go for the YouTube channel. LVS up 600. Qualcomm's up 300. CCL's up 1,000. RCL's up 300. We're almost green on that RCL trade. We get another day like today on that RCL. That's going to be an incredible video to watch, or a class to teach about, you know, the discipline of options. Look at that breakout on CCL there, guys. 1454. Big breakout. LVS. There goes Carnival Cruise Line. Market's taking off. There goes Visa. 1020 cross on Visa. There goes the Diamond ETF. Guys, the markets are on the next run here. There goes Moderna climbing off the lows there of 80.30, 81.73. Continuing to climb. Diamond's at 244.49 a share. Getting a nice climb here, guys. Let's see if this momentum can continue. Our Qualcomm trade's now up 11%. Marriott trade's now up 13%. Big breakout here, guys. Nice run on our trades. And there we go. There's another run on Carnival Cruise Line. There goes Visa here as well. Take a look at Visa. Visa, today 1 minute. There she goes. Nice breakout on Visa. 1020 cross, MACD cross. She's running 190.75 is going to be our target resistance area as we were talking about before. Markets are climbing. We are looking good. Our Marriott trade's now up 16%. Up $130 on that small little, what was it, $700 Marriott trade already. Alex Lopez says he just liked the video and subscribed to it. Thank you, Alex. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate those likes and sharing the video on social media. Really great job, guys. Thank you for that. Keep smashing that like button for us and subscribe to our channel if you're enjoying these live videos. Moderna shares tick slightly lower as CEO currently interviewing on Bloomberg TV. Could we put Bloomberg on here? Let's see what, I think we do get Bloomberg on there. Wow, Dow's now up 800 points.
800 points.
NASDAQ's up 213. I'm telling you, we're going to have a big fucking breakout this week. I'm telling you, I could see it from the charts. All the data's coming in. I think that's what Wall Street was waiting for. They were waiting for the data to come in over the weekends to see if the COVID cases climb. We're not seeing anything with that, so markets are taking off here. And wow, there we go. Our Qualcomm trade's now up 13%. Our Marriott trade's now up 13%. 13% gain on both our Qualcomm and Marriott trades. Continuing to break higher there. Wow, Qualcomm trade, I'm up $500 on the Qualcomm trade already. Could you believe that?
Sure.
Visa's still rocking and rolling there. Let's take a look at Qualcomm. Look at Qualcomm there. Look at that breakout. Do you see that breakout momentum on my on YouTube there?
Nice.
Ooh, excuse me. Man, that heartburn's coming from those wings last night. I told myself this morning, I said, you know what? I don't care if I drop dead. I'm going to push myself this week. I'm going to eat healthy. I'm going to exercise. I'm going to go for walks through my lunch break here. And I'm only going to drink water.
We're going for a walk?
We're going for a walk. At 11 o'clock, at 8 minutes here, you're going to take me for a walk.
Drag you out there.
Yeah?
8 minutes. Let's do it.
Put me on that leash.
Let's do it.
I got to lose this weight. I'm at 310 pounds.
Oh, we will.
That's the most I've ever weighed.
Here. We'll do the biggest loser challenge here.
Take a look at Qualcomm there, continuing to break out there. New highs of the day on Qualcomm. Great job on Qualcomm. Let's see what Marriott's doing. MAR. I'm telling you though, you know, I was thinking about it. I said, why am I wasting $1,000 a week on food that's killing me? You know? I'm just gonna eat. I don't care if I have to eat lobster and shrimp every day. You know, I'm gonna start eating healthy and lose this weight. You remember last year I did that. I joined CrossFit. I got those healthy meals delivered, and I lost 70-some pounds in 2.5 months. I could definitely do it. You just have to push yourself, you know. And I you know me, I love pushing myself to the limit. So I want us to get out there and train until you see me puking.
It's all on you.
Yeah, but I need that push. I'm not the type that could do it. If I have a trainer that pushes me, it's easy because I have the vision there. But when it's me, you know, controlling myself, it's like, yeah, Dave, you know what? Just sit back. You just made $4,000 today. Sit back, relax, and you know, have those wings.
Something to get you out of here.
Yeah, I gotta watch. So definitely, I'm just telling you that on air. So.
Let's do it.
It's there.
It's on there now. Hey, guys, in the afternoon session, you heard it here first. At 11 o'clock, we'll be walking.
Oh yeah, we're going. So we got it. We got a oh, you know what? The rain's coming in. It looks like. Wow, look at those clouds! How fast they're moving. Now today is one of the days you should be in the Cessna. Yeah, you were telling me about the wind the other day. I gave Efren the Discovery flight there, see if he liked that. And he's like, wow, Dave, it was windy up there. I said, wait till you got 15 knot winds coming in.
No way, Jose.
15 knot crosswinds coming in on final approach there.
No way, Jose.
Alrighty, so take a look here, guys. Qualcomm came right down to that 10-day simple moving average on a today 1-minute chart, getting that bounce as of right now on that candle. Marriott coming down below that 20 SMA. Visa still breaking out here. Take a look at Visa today, 1 minute, still holding above that. Looking for a breakout above 190.82 there for that next breakout momentum. Marriott or Qualcomm trade, you know, I could easily lock in that profit. I'm up $500 on that Qualcomm trade already, which I'm sure you guys are up as well. So we could lock in profits if we wanted to, but you know that Qualcomm trade is for June 19th. June 19th Expo, why the hell would I sell it now, especially looking at that 3-month daily? You could see we got 82.50 as our target support area, or its target resistance area. So 82.50, we have the, what do I have here, the 78 strike. So that'll be worth about $4.50. We picked it up for $3.55. It'll be worth about $4.50. Another 50 cents, that'll be another $500. We're up $400 now, so another $500 on top of that. We're looking at about a $900 or a 25% gain on the Qualcomm trade, easily. And that's only if we get up to that 82.50. Now, if we get up to 85, that Qualcomm trade is going to be worth $7. We'll have over 100% return if we get up to around $85 on Qualcomm, which is easily doable here as the economy reopens and continue that climb. Moderna's now at $82 a share, climbing above that 10-day simple moving average for the first candle there. Take a look at MRNA. She's running. Sorrento CEO, new antibody prevents virus completely. Take a look at SRNE. That's spiking big now as this doctor's on here talking. Moderna, 82.10 a share. She's continuing to break out there. There she goes. First candle above that 10. We're watching to see a first candle above that red and blue 20 and 50 SMA here. Nice break out there. It's all about the mindset, Vincenzo. You know, last year when I lost that 70-some pounds, I was just dedicated every day. I said, you know what? I even got rid of all the soda. I dumped it all out, and I got actually cases of water from that Zephyr Hills. So that Zephyr Hills, you know, like I said, you know what? I might as well. So it's like a minimum of a 10 case, and they come on the big tractor trailer and deliver it to your house. Like literally the big tractor trailer. Every month they would come and they would drop off 15 cases. I got 15 cases. I always said, you know what? What's that? About 4 a week, 3 a week? And, you know, I drink 10 cans of soda a day. So I said, yeah, you know what? I could probably do around 40 bottles of water a week. That's easy. And I did it. You know, that's all I drink. I drink that sparkling water, whatever the hell the one is with the suds in it, you know. So I drank that. No soda. Ate healthy. Lost the weight. So, yeah, definitely, Vincenzo. It's all in your mindset, and I tell everybody that. Just like with trading. There we go. Qualcomm's breaking out again. Another big breakout on Qualcomm, up 13% on the Qualcomm trade. Take a look at Qualcomm today, 1 minute. There she goes. New highs of the day on Qualcomm. That's a nice setup there for us, guys. Nice setup. Qualcomm, I don't know what that is. Jewish, Arabic, Arivam. I don't know what those letters are there, but what is the target on Qualcomm? Qualcomm target is going to be 82.50 to 85.
Stop is 77.
We could actually see a run up to 87.50 on Qualcomm. So between 82.50 and 87 is going to be our target. I'm probably going to look between 85 and 87 as targets. I think we're going to continue to break out there. Alrighty, guys, it is 11 o'clock, so if you guys want to come join us, you guys know where to go. Go to breakingchartalerts.com. Come up here, breakingchartalerts.com, sign up, click join now. And if you guys join now and you guys want to join for our Pro Trader Elite, you could use promo code REOPEN, REOPEN. That'll give you 25% off. Instead of being $2,500 for the year, what is it going to be? $2,500. What is it, 25% off? 25% off? So it'll be $1,875 for the year there for the Pro Trader Elite. And that's a huge savings there compared to going to monthly. So if you guys want, that's the promo code for Pro Trader Elite, which will give you access to our afternoon live session here. And our afternoon live session is going to be like this. Here's going to be the link for you guys to join the Zoom. It's really nice there because then you guys can... you know, we could do a lot there as far as education goes. So, nice job today, guys. Azarius says, Dave, can you look at GE quick? I surely will look at GE. Let's take a look here. GE. GE, $6.27, up 14% for the day on GE. Look at that big... Now, GE looks like that's ready to break out, Azaria. If you wanted to do a nice swing trade on GE, I'd be looking at the at least the January 2021 Expo for GE. They're cheap. They're very cheap. And, Azaria, if you want to do a trade idea on this, you know, we could certainly look at the 650 strike call, the 7 strike call, going for that January 2021 Expo. So... when we come live on the afternoon session, Azaria, please message me, and I would jump into a GE trade with you as well. Especially if we get that green candle confirmation tomorrow. She could easily get back up to 7. Another quick jump there. But, you know, we got out of that perfect time. We got out of that the first candle below that 10 back when she was around $6.40 a share. She continued to break down, and that was nice. We could re-enter now as we get a confirmed breakout momentum. So I like that. Here's a lot of call sweeps coming in on Bank of America down here. Shares of several cruise and travel companies are trading higher amid market strength as news from Moderna trials stoked optimism about a potential coronavirus vaccine, which has raised hopes of a sooner return back to normal travel demands. So we're seeing call sweeps coming in on Wells Fargo, Bank of America. Boeing's got some put sweeps coming in. So looking good here, guys. Our Qualcomm trade's now up 12%. Our Marriott trade's up 11%. Looking good there. Like what I'm seeing. We locked in over $4,000 in profits today, and we're going to continue to do that the rest of the week, in my opinion. USO is continuing to climb there. Look at that breakout on USO. She's at $24.48 a share. Guys, look at USO here. Wow, what a climb there. She's up almost 10% today. Take a look at the today 1 minute chart. There goes USO. She was in consolidation for quite some time here. She had that 10-20 cross. The SMAs converge, and we've been in breakout momentum from $24 all the way up to $24.50. Continuing to break out on USO there, guys. And what did I tell you on Friday on that USO chart? I said, guys, back on this, we had the 10-20 cross, first candle above that 10-20. I said, guys, we're ready for a big breakout on USO. Didn't I say that last week? Did I not say that? Watch the video. That's our trade plan, guys. Remember, watch the trade plan and be disciplined. We had plenty of time on that USO, and I'm going to be adding to that USO soon. I love that setup there. It's looking good. The demand is back for oil as the economy's reopening. It's after 11 now, so I'm going to get off of here, and I'll see you guys in the afternoon. If you haven't joined, make sure you guys message us. You could either message us on our Facebook page here. The nice thing about this is if you guys go down here and click, this is Facebook Messenger. If you guys message us here through Facebook Messenger, that'll go right to me or Efren here. And you guys could either say, hey, I'm interested in signing up. I'm interested in one of your classes. Or you guys could just go here to join now. And like I said, if you sign up for the Pro Trader Elite, you could use promo code REOPEN, all capital letters. And we will see you guys. If you guys want to join us now, go there, Pro Trader Elite. Live trade room. We'll be in there until 2. At 2 o'clock, we'll be live on Zoom with no delay and do some live trading. So take care, guys. God bless. Have a great day. And it was a very nice start to Monday here. Congratulations, guys. And I will see you in the afternoon. Alrighty, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.